Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic spark plugs. First, let's prepare. You will need a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for replacing your spark plugs. Now, let's get to those old spark plugs. You'll find the ignition coils on top of your engine's valve cover. Disconnect their electrical connectors, then remove the small bolts holding each coil in place. Gently pull each ignition coil straight up to reveal the spark plugs underneath. Using your spark plug socket and ratchet, carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug from its cylinder. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. Hand tighten each plug into its cylinder head to prevent cross-threading. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 16 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the ignition coils and securely reconnect their electrical connectors. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen carefully for any unusual sounds or misfires, ensuring everything runs smoothly. For optimal performance, consider replacing your Honda Civic spark plugs every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. This routine maintenance significantly improves your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall engine performance, keeping your Civic running strong for many more miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.